we have here, let's see, my other student would call them Skittles and M&Ms. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
So we're just using one of these, okay? I care about this. All right, so how many spaces fit in it? How many chocolates fit in our box?
5.
You got it. All right, can you put in? And where's your marker? M&Ms. Skittles.
Dominic, come back. Come back to the door and watch.
All right, can you put 2 Skittles in the box? And how many M&Ms are gonna fit in there now? 3, okay, so can you put the 3 M&Ms in? All right, so can you write down what equation that would look like? Somebody had. How many Skittles? Good job, right? What if there were 3 Skittles? How many M&Ms would fit?
2.
Can you write that one down?
Well, then probably your mom would.
3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, this time, what happens if you put 4 Skittles in the box? How many M&Ms would you fit? And what would that look like?
Here's $2,000
You got it. All right, and then this last one. You put in 1 Skittle. How many M&Ms would fit?
4.
You got it. Write that down.
Oh,
Okay, nice. So I'm gonna flash a bunch of these. I think then we're gonna play treasure hunt. It's fun Friday, right? Before I show you these cards, I have a little stat here. I wanna see how many you already know and if I can find a way to teach you the rest of them. You're out 600, huh? Stay home for your talk. That help? Did you feel a little bit better? Good. Okay. And this will help me figure out some more games to help learn. So before I show them to you, can I ask you if you're adding 0 to something, what happens?
If you're adding 0 and you have that number, it'll be the same number.
Right, so nothing really happens. What happens if you're adding 1 to something? All the ones that say one.
Then if we add 1, we have 3 left.
If it's a 3, right? But there might be another number on here. So anytime you see 1 plus, what happens to the other number?
It equals that number.
What do you mean?
If we have 1 and a plus, and then if we have an equal at the end, it equals that number.
When you add 0, it equals the number, right? Because the number is not going to change. But what happens if you have a number and I say plus 1? What happens to your number? I'm sorry, you still have that cough. Other than you talk, you feel okay. She seems great. Okay. Cough, yeah, cough, I guess. Sorry. Do you have a water? Can you bring a water back? Did your mom give you cough medicine at home? Want to get a sip of water at the water fountain? Okay. I know sometimes we.
We have like a little number.
Mhm,
Is that if you see these numbers down, it
mhm.
equals that number. Then
It does, if we're talking about 5s. But what if I say, oh, I don't know, 3?
and then you're guessing but not trying.
What if I say 3 plus 1? What's going to happen to the 3?
It's gonna be 3 still.
You think so? We said if we add 0, it would be 3 still, right? If we add 0, then it would still be 3. But what if we're adding 1?
Equals 2.
That would be true if I did this. We take away 1. Yep. If I have 3, take away means I'm taking 1 away. So what happened to the 3?
Is it 0?
What happened to the 3 when you said 2? What did you do to the 3? Or what did you do?
We took it away.
Mm-hmm.
We took it away. We took away 1.
Yeah. So our 3 went down to 2. Yeah. So what happens if I'm adding 1? Am I gonna go up or down?
Down. Up.
Up.
4.
So it goes up, right? So then your number goes up if it says plus 1. But some of these say plus 1, and when I showed them to Mateo, he was saying all kinds of numbers, like he didn't really quite understand what plus 1 meant. I was wondering if you understood. All right, ready? Tell me as many as you know. This is 1 plus 5.
6.
5 plus 2.
7.
Yeah, you didn't count that one. What happens?
I was like, 1, 2. I was like, oh, I see my hand. And I was like, oh, I know that makes 7.
But sometimes we don't have to count this. 5 plus 3.
8,
You didn't even use your fingers. You know that one by heart. 5 plus 1.
6,
4 plus 5.
9,
2 plus 3.
5,
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of those, huh? 3 plus 2.
5,
4 plus 3.
8,
3 plus 4.
7,
2 plus 4.
6,
When you're counting, what can you count out loud? What are you counting? Or how are you counting?
I have 2 and then 4.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then then you count them all. So you go like this and then you count all of them. Okay. 1 plus 3.
4,
1 plus 4.
6,
6. 4 plus 1.
6.
6. So tell me how you're counting that one.
I say 4 in my head, and then I have
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 4 in your head or 4 on your fingers?
4 in my head and fingers.
And you're adding 1.
Makes 5.
Yeah, so you don't really have to count, do you? Just say the next number. All right, if 4 plus 1 is 5, what's 4 plus 2?
7,
That's 1 plus 0.
1,
2 plus 1,
3,
2 plus 0,
2,
3 plus 0,
3,
1 plus 0,
1,
4 plus 0.
4,
I shuffled these, I promise. 5 plus 0,
5,
0 plus 0,
0,
0 plus 4,
4,
0 plus 3.
3,
Okay, I don't know why all the zeros were in a row. I shuffled them. 2 plus 2,
4,
1 plus 1,
2,
0 plus 5,
5,
0 plus 2,
2,
4 plus 4,
9,
5 plus 5,
10,
1 plus 2,
3,
2 plus 5.
7.
How'd you know that?
I was like 2 in my head, and then I was like, oh, if I have the 5 right here or the 2 right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
So you said
7.
it so fast. I think you said it too fast to count them. Were you picturing? I thought you were going to say that you just pictured this in your head. Did you see this in your head? That's pretty cool. 3 plus 3,
6,
3 plus 1,
4,
3, and that's a 3. Somebody scribbled that. 3 plus 5,
8,
5 plus 4.
9,
How'd you know that one? That's the highest one in the whole deck.
if we have 5 and 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
But you said it too fast to count. So what did your brain say? I don't think your brain counted. You said it so fast.
My brain was like, oh, Aubrey, it's 9.
I think so, huh? All right. You like treasure hunt? Count by tens yet? 20, 30? Are you good at it? A lot like the ones, because you've got a new deck that has those on it. Want to do that one? Yeah, warm in here all of a sudden. Okay, let's hear you count by tens. You go forwards and backwards. And 20.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120.
Nope, just 10, 20, 30. Can you do that?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yes, you can. Can you do that backwards? 100,
180, 190, 80, 70, 60, 20, 10.
Skipped a few. Want to do this one? The 20s? I think you can do it. Related to the ones. Related to the 1 through 10. Brand new. This is the- Disneyland, Paris, France, cruise to Mexico.
Maybe.
Hmm. Place in San Diego. Yes. Tickets to it. The people help me paddle out. Okay.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,
That was 100.
100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20.
All right. 80. Which end do you think it's going to be? Okay. 80, 190, 80. 20, 30, 50, 50, 40, 30, 10, 20.
20, 30, 40, 50.
Good thinking. I like how you tried it. Seven blue, 60 blue, 50 green, 60 red. Shredded. Ooh. Ooh, green card. What? First, work on any of them. Already the right cards. Which one?
This one,
Sure.
this
Take
one.
out 5. Think this one's in the right place? There's a 10 blue. Uh-oh. What's that? Hey, here we go. You think? We're gonna put this here.
No,
What do you think? This is the, what's that one?
10.
10 blue, or
That,
you think it's,
that one.
you think this is 10 blue, or what else could it be?
20. That's hard, baby.
Card is
Oh,
100 red. So no psychic cards. What do you think? Or the 100?
the 10 blue.
Yeah. None of them. The whole game, huh? Interesting. What do you notice about all these cards?
There wasn't the right place.
They what?
It wasn't the right place.
Yeah, what about these numbers? We talked about all the teens. What are all the teens look like?
One.
They all have one in the front now. What's the name of these?
The only two, the only two one and the rest are different numbers.
Yeah. They all have a different number.
Zero.
Zero. They all end with a zero. No, these are all the starts of the new family, right? We've been working with these two, teen family, 20 family, and we started working with the 30 family. We're gonna be working with these families next week, right? And these, grade, okay. You kind of already know this, Aubrey, because you learned these, right? No, it's the same thing, Aubrey. All right, so no real plans. How many tigers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's nope, thank you.